Good name from Nimbin, Australia. Even Jimmy Lovechild for 420 News. Sponsored by Nimbin Hemp Jobs. Get ahead with the helping hand. Hempjobs.net. I'm here with Hempy the Clown in the studios of Nimbin Television. I would like to make a promise on behalf of all cannabis law reform activists. When cannabis or hemp, or marijuana or weed, or pot, or ganja, is legalized, there will be no more of this cheap, tacky advertising. Cannabis activists worldwide will stop making posters, newspapers, magazines, websites and stop making video about cannabis prohibition. There will be no more. When the efforts of all the members of groups and political organizations have succeeded, then we will stop making any noise about cannabis prohibition. The promise of keeping quiet about cannabis prohibition forever will be kept unconditionally as soon as prohibition has ended. You can be sure there will be no more extolling the virtues of cannabis for food, fuel, fiber, medicine. There will probably be no more talk of cannabis as a substance of choice, or as a sacred, spiritually enlightening herb. Until the day cannabis becomes legal, you can be sure there will be plenty of noise about prohibition. Plenty of noise, indeed. Thank you.